So next, we're gonna start installing these motors on the doors. Now, the problem might be if you have a new motor, the actuator may not be pointed the way you want. And I want mine to rest with this sitting all the way down. So what I did was I took 2 pairs of leads and then I used a 9-volt battery to turn it into the position I wanted. And then now it rests with the doors completely shut, so that way it's not sitting open. So if you need to do that, that'll be a really helpful way to get it in the position you want. And then all you need to do to secure this one is 2 bolts and then plug it right in and you'll be golden. And then we'll move on to the rear one. All right, now onto the one by the heater core. It goes just like that. You'll see. Okay, and that cord does go like that. So go ahead and get 2 bolts in right there. All right, now we're good with that one.